What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Toyota CHR Smart Key Remote Fob. This Toyota CHR key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The first thing we're going to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of our key fob. That's done by pressing this release on the bottom of the key fob that my finger's on, and then the emergency key will pull out like that. Now if we hold our key fob with the buttons facing down and we take a look at the bottom of it, in that area where this key just pulled out of, if you look in here, you can see there's this slot right here. And if you notice on the end of this key, there's a little bit of a lip. What I'm going to do is stick my key in this slot, stick it straight in there like that. Then once that key is all the way pushed in that slot, just twist the key like you're opening a lock. And as you do that, you can see it splits the case apart. Go ahead and pull the two halves apart and we see our battery right here. Sometimes this circuit board will stick in the back half of the case. If it does, you'll just need to kind of pry it out. It doesn't take too much. But anyway, once we get that out, we're looking at our battery right here. I'm going to use this key again. This time to get under the edge of the battery and pop it out of that holder like that. I'll grab my new battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up, positive side up. And I'm going to tuck this edge in first like that, and then snap it down into place. Then make sure your circuit board is sitting down in that rubber piece, and we can snap the two halves back together, slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.